Okay, so now we're going to drill down into one of these training packages, and I'm just going to choose the business services training package here. So I'm just going to click on the title, and that'll take me through to the actual searchable business services training package. So you can see where you are by looking across here. So I've gone from home to training packages, and now I'm in BSB 07, which is the code for the business services training package. Now, this one is fully searchable online, which makes it a little bit easier for me to show you how to get around. You'll notice that you've got the Industry Skills Council that controls this training package is the Innovation and Business Industry Skills Council. If I click on that, that'll give me the details of the contact details for the Industry Skills Council if I ever need to get in touch with them for clarification on anything in the training package. Okay, every training package starts off, often they have multiple volumes, and because they are quite large, they have multiple qualifications. As you can see here, this one has around 70 to 80, I think, qualifications in the business services training package. They all start in volume 1 with some preliminary information and an overview. They give you the qualification outlines for all of the qualifications that are within that training package. Volume 1 will also have your employability skills summary, assessment guidelines, and some extra information, but you'll always find those assessment guidelines and employability skills summaries in Volume 1 of any training package. Okay, so now that we're inside the training package, we can actually have a look at some of the qualifications within here. And as you can see, I've got one qualification at a level 1, 2 at certificate 2, 13 at certificate 3, and so on. So we're going to have a look at a certificate 3 level qualification. So I'm just going to click on those certificate 3 qualifications. And as you can see here now, I've got a list of all of the qualification codes. Notice that they all start with BSB, which is our Business Services Training Package identifier. And then we have a number 3, which tells us they're all number 3s. It's a level 3 qualification. Okay. Then we have where, so the next 2 numbers in here indicate where you'll find it in the training package. And then the last 2 numbers are the year of endorsement. Again, so have a look here, we can see that we've got 2, certificate 3 in business. Now we want to use the most current one, so you actually have a look at the year of endorsement, and you can see here this one was in 2010 endorsed, so that one is the more up to date than the 07. So just have a look at the 010 one there. So we've got business, customer contact, business administration, micro business operations, international trade. You'll notice that the certificate 3 in OC Health and Safety is under the business services training package. So we've got record keeping, frontline management, business administration. So they're all to do with the business sector or the industry. Okay, so let's have a look then at this certificate 3 in business. So we're going to drill down to the qualification itself. So I've clicked on that one, and I get now I'm at the actual outline for this qualification. Okay, so I get a descriptor. I've got job roles that might be relevant to this qualification, different pathways that people can enter the qualification. Any licensing and legislative information will be right here. With this one, of course, there's none. You can see there's no direct link here. And then we have the packaging rules. And in the next little demo, I'm going to explain the packaging rules to you. Okay, so we'll look forward to that in a minute.